I just have to say, like, the first time that I ever experienced a rain show, it was in this stadium. It was 73 years ago. No, it was a long time ago, but it was the first time I'd ever experienced a rain show, and the whole day I remember, I think I was 19 or 20. The whole day they were like, it's gonna rain, and my team and I, we really didn't know what that meant for the crowd, because in my mind that meant the crowd is going to want to have a nice evening, therefore they are not going to want to get rained on the whole night, right? We think that's the way that it works. They're gonna leave, and they're gonna go find a nice way to spend their evening, instead of like being on this 3-hour water slide adventure with me. And the thing that was so crazy for my mind to experience that night of that very first rain show was the lesson that I learned that I've taken with me ever since, which is that the fans and crowds in the New England, Boston, Foxborough, Massachusetts area do not care if it rains. In fact, that kind of makes it more fun for you as it would appear. So it makes it more fun for us because, we just know that you guys are wild. You guys are just wild. You guys are up for it. And I love you so much for that. Thank you.